Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase limit in Venmo 2026. First, verifying your identity is the easiest way to start sending and receiving larger amounts without worrying about limits. This requires providing personal information such as your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. To do this, log into your Venmo account, open the menu by tapping the three-line icon, then go to Settings, select Security, and tap on Identity Verification. Follow the steps to complete the process. Another way to increase your limit is by using Venmo more actively. The platform considers your transaction history, so the more you send and receive, especially larger amounts, the higher your limit may become over time. Linking your bank account can also help increase your limit. To do this, go to your profile, tap the settings icon, and select payment methods. Then tap Add a bank or card, choose your bank, and complete the verification process. If your limit still hasn't increased, you can request a limit increase directly from Venmo. You can contact their support team through email, their website form, or by phone during business hours. When making a request, you may need to provide additional details such as your occupation, income, and the reason for the increase. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.